Hello guys, we have received this Fedus LAN or Ethernet cable. By using this we can connect our router or any device which has Ethernet port or LAN port to connect the devices. I have seen lot of reviews about this product. That was good reviews. This is the product of Fedus, and here we have received warranty card as well. To activate the warranty, we have to send the pictures of purchase invoice that we will be receiving in this card box. I have just received the parcel in this card box, and this is the invoice copy which we will later on I will take a picture of and will send out to this number or email address to activate the warranty. I have just unboxed this parcel. Let's see how it goes. This is a male connector which we have to put in or plug in the female connector in any devices that will support LAN or Ethernet cable. And I have seen good reviews that we can use this cable at outside condition, if it is in a rainy season or any other season. This can be abide all those factors. So this is a sturdy cable. I have read all those comments. So let's see what kind of impact it can receive. Even though I will be using this cable inside the room. So this is a Fedus Cat 6E plus ISO VIP PVC. So that is a branding, that is a tagline, or that is the information we can say, which we can see that is written on the cable. So in the color of golden color, that is imprinted or infused within the wire. So let's see how the quality will be once plugged into the router or router. This is a 25-meter cable in the size that I have purchased, and it will cost around, actual price will be, let's see, is that branding, let me see. Yes, here it is. Imprinted cost will be 999. That will around only 1 rupees left, so 1000 rupees. Manufacturing is in the last month, October 2022. So that means only in the last month that has been manufactured. And brand name is Fedus 25-meter. Okay, so you can say like 80 centimeter or something in the size. So after using this only I can review in the detail. I have just unboxed this and it seems in the good packaging though. Let's see how it works once I plug into the router. So that's it for now. I will activate the warranty as well by sending out the pictures. This is the information that nobody has reviewed as yet on YouTube regarding the manufacturing information and all those factors. So let's see. This is not an endorsement from Fedus. It's just proper information that I am providing, that you guys will get to know what kind of product is this, because many people and a lot of people are ordering this product online via Amazon. And if it is a reasonable price by considering this sturdiness and size of the cable. I can see there is if it is visible in the video, I don't know, that has been pressed from here. It will be in manufacturing process. Let's see if it is a serious damage. It should not be the serious damage, but it is in good condition, that I can appreciate. First of all, I will show you it. All the way it came from Guwahati, then in Maharashtra, and then Nagpur. I am living near Nagpur and it was delivered. Courier partner was delivery. I will show you other information as well. Seller was Appayo Retail Private Limited, so that was the seller, and it is the product of Fedus. I will give you in detail once I start using this. I will start using it right away, and I will make another video. That's it for this video. I will review this product in detail. Okay guys, see you then. Bye bye.